Hey guys, my name is Marat. I'm CTO and co-founder of nGrow AI, and today I'm going to show you how to start using nGrow platform to send smart push notifications to your app's users. So let's just sign up and create our account. That's a pretty easy part. Here we need to enter our name. My name is Marat, and my email. My email would be master nGrow AI. Then we need your company name. Usually that's the same that your app's name, but things differ. So let my company be Pushmaster and a password. Well, any password you use, I recommend generating them because you can make typos or something, or they could be insecure. So sign up. Yeah. First we need to set a name of our app. My app would be Pushmaster Android app. That's gonna be on Android. For now we need to know what analytical system you use, which system you send your users events. For this case, that's gonna be Amplitude. And the messaging system is the system you use to send push notifications and handle them through your app. The most popular one is Firebase or FCM, Firebase Cloud Messaging, but there are plenty of them. So now we need to configure Amplitude settings to let nGrow fetch event streams from Amplitude, and there is a link how to do that. Where should I go to get necessary credentials? So let's do it right now. We'll go to Amplitude and log in to your Amplitude account. Mine. I have organization that's called nGrow, and just logging in. And yes, here I am at the Amplitude platform. I hit settings, then I hit projects, and then I choose the necessary project name. In our case, it's nGrow.ai, and there are two keys, API key and secret key. So we could use them and put it right here, API key and the secret key. And this is it. So we have configured Amplitude. Now we need to configure the Firebase Cloud Messaging System. For that, we need to go to Firebase. There is a description how to do that. You can do that on your own. Since we won't send any push notifications, we can type anything here. But for a live work, we would definitely need a live key. So this is pretty much it. Now we need to wait like up to 5 minutes to let our system fetch and process Amplitude data, and we would be ready to go. A couple minutes passed, and now we can refresh the page, or you'll receive an email with a link. Doesn't matter. You can just refresh the page. And the last thing you need to set up to use nGrow is letting our system to know in which user property or in which event and event property do you send push tokens to your analytical system. In our case, we send in our app push tokens to event called FCM token has been updated inside the event property called FCM token. In your case, that could be different. Like you could store it in user property or in any other event with a different name or in different property, but you need to set that up exactly as your mobile developers made your app to send push tokens to the analytical system. So you hit the continue button, and here we go. This is the nGrow AI console. So the first thing you might want to do is to create a segment to set up your first push campaign. So here you can make any segmentation you want, like let's create a segment that affects only churned users, and we define churned user anyone who did not made any main open event, like had count 0 within last 7 days. So if a user did not open our app within 7 days, we consider them as churn users, and we treat them in a specific way. So we want to send them push notifications 1 in 3 days. That sounds fair. And the last thing, to start send push notifications, we need to create some messages, some variations for our algorithms to choose for this segment of these users. So let's create a message. We need to set up a language of this message, that would be English, and that will be, hey now, you're a rock star. Oh, I have that in suggestion. Nice. You can set up a deep link or image URL or icon or custom data that you want to send within your push notification. So all of these things are customizable. So to let our algorithms work in a proper way, let's create another message in the same language, like I miss you so much. So now what would gonna happen is choosing whether we should send to this particular user this push notification or that one, and that would be different based on users' behavior and the events they generate, and your app sends to the Amplitude. So this is pretty much it. We've set it up a push notification in our first campaign with two messages, and now we just need to wait to let our machines choose the best time and the best message for each user. This is pretty much it. Thank you. Have a good one.